Hi, this is Pat from Associated Siding, Omaha, Nebraska. Today I'm showing you a house that we've did with Mastic Quest panel, 25-foot 6 lengths. Did all the trim with aluminum. So we got new aluminum gutters, downspouts, seamless aluminum. Aren't any seams on the front of this house. Very few seams on the house at all. The reason we use aluminum soffit is because it doesn't sag. It's metal, so it just stays nice and straight, doesn't sag, where vinyl soffit has a tendency to sag. You see the custom bends in this aluminum stuff. It makes it look a little more sporty, and it also holds it in place, keeps it from oil canning. Just kind of ripples that develop when it gets hot and cold. It expands and wants to expand, and the nails aren't letting it, then it will tend to ripple if you don't have some bends in it. See it there again in the fascia on the gable. That fascia also has a bend on the bottom that comes out over the siding, so there's no way that water can go down behind that siding because of the way it's set up. Let me see, you have one seam on this wall. That was longer than the 25-foot 6. Oh, I take it back, you got two seams. Otherwise you'd have them all over the place. Here again, you got the custom bends and the trim around the sliding door. Got bended pieces every 5 foot on the aluminum soffit. Use a hooded dryer vent rather than the kind with flaps, which the flaps fall off after a while. Got a utility block around the water spigot, which makes it look much nicer than if you did it some other ways. Got 3x4 downspouts instead of 2x3. Have hinges on the downspouts where you can just pick them up to mow the lawn and put them back down. See back here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 seams. With the normal 12.5-foot siding, you'd have a lot more seams than that, probably 25. Underneath this siding we put 4x8 sheets of 3/4 inch foam, and we didn't have to remove the trim boards because they're the same thickness as this foam. Gives the siding a nice flat surface to expand and contract, slide back and forth as it grows and shrinks. This was kind of a tricky little gutter job. The gutter guy put the gutter around the corners. It used to be like that when the house was built, so it makes it work much better. First, Mike made a custom number block for the dress numbers. There again, here's your utility block around the water spigot. Got a new doorbell. So if you want a really nice siding job, if you're interested in quality work, quality material, be happy to hear from you. It's Associated Siding and Remodeling, Omaha, Nebraska. Give us a call. We'd be happy to take a look.